Hey everybody, my name is Trey Moss. I have two kids, another one on the way, a beautiful wife. We're huge baseball fans, go Royals. Hopefully next year is a little bit better. Um, I am a science teacher here at Avondale Academy Alternative School in Topeka 501. I teach middle school and high school students. My short-term goals are to graduate. That is probably my primary goal right now. Sounds like a good one to me. I want to keep teaching for a couple of years, keep working with this population of students, just to kind of get a feel for what really works with them. I really enjoy working with this population. It has a lot of struggles, but also a lot of really good moments. Long term, I would love to go back and get my PhD, and just study what works best for students who don't quite fit into the, quote unquote normal classroom setting, and what we can do to really keep them from kind of falling through the cracks. What I hope to learn from this class is how to create a curriculum that will last for many years, that is suited towards my students and, that will benefit them and ultimately raise their achievement, and just, yeah. I really look forward to getting through our last class together and learning from you guys, and hopefully we have a good one. So.